Middle East Senior Correspondent, Maxie Santiago.
Ay, salamat. Awam na sitang kong mga libros library.
Ang PSA para kayo. Sa ngayon, higit shelter na parang mga biktima ng ilang kaso ng pagkakagusto. Nakatangga na lang magkulong ang mga kinagawa ng Kuwait at
Saan ni? Ablihan na nato.
Yo guys, this is your boy MTV for another video, and today's video, today is Saturday. Our agenda for today is we will attend the Believe Youth Eucharistic Congress 2018 in History or Basa. Today, hindi na lang ako nahunahunaan yung mga intro because why not, right? So we're going na to the napapunta na po kami doon.
We wanna see Jesus lifted high, a banner that flies across this land. That all men may see the truth. We wanna see Jesus lifted high, a banner that flies across this land.
Guys, after 2 hours, hindi pa po kami dumadating sa aming venue.
Alpas lang muna po.
Still, papunta na po kami doon. God, we are here at Real SJR.
Yeah guys, so it's really awesome and it's so kind of cool.
Kakarating lang namin dito and the event will start on 8 AM. We're really excited kung anong mangyayari ngayon. Thank you pala Danao City for lending us your bus. So kakatapos na namin yung pare-register, naka-pare-register na din.
A banner that flies across.
Guys, nakuha na naman mga necessities.
All men may see the truth and know He is the way to
Dako si Oxybian Colbe. O gidarugad siya pagkamatay ng hilo. Purito!
Show them what you can do.
Sa USPF Lahore
Colegio de San Antonio de Padua represent. La.
Kasi mga mo Rosel. Unsa yung nakakunan sa top lane sila mga sa speaker?
Doctor.
Ano mo na? Unsa yung nakakunan sa iyo top lane?
My learning is that we have to discipline ourselves, and most especially, we should be centered in the rosary, and most especially, we should live the Catholic teachings in our lives. Most especially, we should pray rosary every day, and we should give Jesus
true flesh, naging tunay na laman. At yun! Why? Nung tinaas niya, naging tunay na dugo. Sabi niya, my darling! How can this be? Beautiful.
Okay. Hey guys! Day 1 is done. I believe day 1 is done. We're going to our energy. Hotel. Yes. Best thing ever, you know. Our energy remains still up high. Vlog. And the current vlogger is not around. It's because I don't know, kasi siya. So I'll be taking over and I will introduce you to my mates. Hello, we're back again on Jay's vlog and we're about to ask some persons. We're about to ask some persons about their feelings or naunsa sila sa ilaha. Sila gibati sa karon nga event, I believe. Excuse me. Oh my. YKJ. Naunsa na ikaw sa imong gibati karon. Okay, yes. Yeah, sa imong gibati sa. Sorry, but they're a little kinda shy. But appreciate the effort. Hello, about some strange guy over here. I think she has something to say. G-boy. That's my dear friend over here. Okay, G-boy. Some comments about the I Believe event.
Okay. You know, my name has been mentioned kanina, and I was just shocked because it's very noisy here. This is my first time here in Philip. That's all, thank you.
Okay.
Rambo ang lungsod.
Okay. Number 3. Number 3 group. Ayan siya guys, patong na may gawa sa kanang San Jose Recoletos guys. Nasa namin yung pumunta sa kuan guys. Ayan siya guys. Kahit hi guys. Nabot among sundo. Uy, nauna palagi mo.